doesn't matter how much you put on there, just so long as you spread it evenly. Okay, what we'll do is we'll glue this tight, but we're only going to glue up to this line here. We don't want to glue all this because we're liable to get something dropped in there and it's too hard to get it out. So we'll just glue this line around to the other line. Now we got the glue that's dry enough to where when we touch it, it doesn't transfer to our fingers. So what you need to do now is you get a lot of these sticks, cut you some sticks, and lay on top of where your piece of laminate is going to go. Can you see all these sticks I've got placed out around the top? And that's to get us a little bit of time so that when we put a laminate up there, we can move it around before it sticks. Okay, ready? Okay, we got all these sticks under here so that we can move this piece around. So what you want to do, you've got your mark right there. You want to double check all your measurements before you stick it. When you get ready, pull your first one out. Make sure it's set. Set it. Each time you pull one out, kind of shove it down. Now you don't want to start from this side and then start from that side, because what you'll have is you'll have a bubble in the middle. So you want to work from one side and go to the other side. Close, because this is where we got to line up our mark. That's the first piece you put in. Together. Okay. Nice joint. Got a trimmer bit. Hoping you can get a good shot of this. It's a bevel bit. What it does is I've started and gone along the edge right here over to here. Now from this point on, seeing that this is a little easier to see, you can see the overhang that we had left over, we're trimming it off. That's why they call this a trimming bit. The trimming.